Note: the number on the item is for the manufacturer's internal sequence, and does not make any changes to the part itself. Packaged as 1EA. Established in 1919 and traded on the NYSE, Standard Motor Products, Inc., SMP, is a leading independent manufacturer, distributor, and marketer of replacement parts for motor vehicles in the automotive aftermarket industry, with a complementary focus on heavy-duty, industrial equipment and original equipment markets. Top reviews from the United States. Fit 07 Camry 4 CYL perfectly. I needed to replace this valve while putting in a new valve cover gasket. Do yourself a favor and buy a new PCV hose as the old ones crack easily. This part works great and even has the proper sealant on the threads. Good price and great fit.